Zuzu. No. Here. Come. Zuzu, look what I got. Look what I got. Thank you. Good. I didn't throw it. You're good. Yeah, you're good.
Did you find it? Go find it. Go find it. Quick, find it.
Hurry up.
Did you find it?
Hi, how are you? Happy Friday. Yes, the dogs are circling the table. Oh, no, now they're going out. Maybe we'll have a little peace and quiet for a few minutes.
Oh my gosh. That'll be a first.
Right? So we actually had to take the squeaking ball away from Zuzu because she was just...
She heard me hit record.
Yeah, that's what she does. They both do it, right?
It's her thing.
Craziness. So welcome to Home Happy Hour. I'm Val.
I'm Rog.
This week's drink is a berry lemonade. So it was actually warmer at 1 o'clock in the morning than it was at 6 a.m. this morning. And at 6 a.m. this morning, it was actually sleeting. But it looks like the sun's kind of out. The wind is, it's definitely a little bit warmer. So we figured we'd lift our spirits.
Kind of head into spring.
Yes.
With a gusto.
Exactly. So, berry lemonade. Raspberry lemonade. Raspberry vodka. Simple syrup. Fresh lemons. 3 simple ingredients. We'll start with a lemon. The juice of 1 lemon. And this is an equal parts drink. Fresh lemons, simple syrup, raspberry vodka, We actually started this recipe based on a friend of ours is obsessed. Is it safe to say she's obsessed?
Obsessed.
Obsessed with anything Marionberry.
Which we had never heard of.
Never ever heard of. Apparently, it's a berry that's primarily Oregon.
Well, it was developed
At the University of Oregon. She'll get Marionberry ice cream, anything Marionberry pies.
It's basically a black raspberry.
Yeah.
But a hybrid that it actually has a really nice flavor.
Very nice flavor to it.
But
very nice flavor to it.
Impossible for us to get here.
Yes.
We're in New Hampshire.
And
New England. We're not getting
not only impossible, expensive. We bit the bullet and ordered it online.
Well, the liquor,
right?
Because we didn't need the pies.
Right? No, absolutely not. And we figured the liquor would travel. We figured the liquor would travel a little bit better.
We'd get more use out of it.
And we developed a lemonade, and it was so good, and it was so refreshing.
We have in the book.
Yes.
Marionberry lemonade recipe,
right,
which is this recipe.
Right.
But
with the Marionberry vodka.
Marionberry vodka instead of
we
made raspberry vodka.
Right.
And we've never tried this.
No, this is new for us.
But it's a red raspberry, so it's gonna have a different flavor.
Definitely a different flavor. Well, you know what? We'll start with our tasting and we'll kind of go from there. So, salud.
Salud.
Mmm.
Definitely get the raspberry.
Oh yeah.
Definitely get the lemon.
Oh yeah. You forget there's vodka in here.
I was gonna say, I don't taste the vodka. So, dangerous drink.
It's not overly powerful.
Right.
Right?
This will sneak up on you for sure.
Oh yeah.
But again, not a ton of liquor in it.
No, equal parts. 1 ounce of each, or whatever you do.
There's only an ounce of
Yeah.
booze in here.
Right.
Which
But-
is so much less than most of the drinks we make.
This is very true. Very refreshing.
I would make it in a much taller glass.
Yes, absolutely.
Well, this drink in particular needs
Room.
Well, I think you need to double it.
Oh, absolutely.
I mean, you can make another round of
Right.
these.
And this is
But
probably
what a
something we could make a
picture.
batch of, or a picture of, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. When did we make the Marionberry? Was that at Thanksgiving? Because
Yeah.
Virgil was here. My cousin's husband, Virgil loves to try whatever we happen to serve him. And we made him a Marionberry lemonade to take home with him. And he was supposed to share it with my aunt, and she never tasted it because he loved it so much.
But you can see why. Because it goes down real smooth. It tastes like you're just drinking,
Lemonade.
in this case, a raspberry lemonade.
Right. Yeah. So here's the thing about this one. So when I was looking for a berry vodka, there's a lot out there of flavored vodkas. I brought the red raspberry, and I personally am a cranberry person. So I actually found a cranberry vodka. So I really think we need to try that with the cranberry.
Maybe we should do
If
that.
you're a New England person, cranberries are a must. If you have a particular berry vodka you like, you can really use any flavored vodka. Peach, watermelon, strawberry, mango. The beauty of this drink is its versatility.
Make a simple syrup, equal parts, sugar, water, heat it up until the sugar completely dissolves. I bring it to a boil. Then let it cool so it doesn't smash whatever vessel you're putting it into.
Please let it cool. We don't
And
need to have an
then
explosion.
pour it into a jar or a bottle, something that is seals tight. Keep it in the back of your fridge. It's there when you need it. And so many drinks benefit from it. But in regards to this, simple syrup, which is simple to make,
Yep.
fresh lemon juice, I think is
Always
key.
fresh. Always fresh.
You can taste the oils from the peel.
Right. And that fresh citrus,
Right.
and that lemon and that tartness, and it really balances the drink out. Absolutely. With the lemon.
With the lemon, balanced by, it's a large amount of simple syrup for a drink that only has an
Right.
ounce of liquor in it.
Right. Right.
But it tastes like lemonade.
It does.
Like a good lemonade.
Yeah. Yeah. This is one of the ones that if we made a picture of it,
It would disappear.
it would disappear. Very, very.
Once it warms up outside.
Yeah. We'll get our.
Oh, you may be watching this while it's warm outside.
Yeah. Right.
But a day ago, I had snow on the yard.
Oh,
You
yeah.
need to not storm your glass.
Sorry. I was trying not to.
I'm going to tell you what I told Emma when she was a toddler sitting in the push cart at the grocery store. She was a gassy little baby, and I told her that she was not allowed to break wind when there were other people around because they would think it was her fat uncle. And you spin your glass, and they're not going to blame you because you're a lady. Or they think you're a lady.
They could blame the dogs. I mean, Zuzu does have a knack for that.
Zuzu definitely has an issue.
I definitely think this is book worthy. I think
Well,
again,
it already
having,
is, right? We have it in the book as a Marionberry, but now we've tried it with
the
a
red raspberry, and we can try it with the cranberry. And there's plenty of other flavors.
You know what? I think that we should try the cranberry
I think we should. We'll be back.
with a round 2.
Round 2, yes. And
Okay, so we're back.
Okay, we're back. We made our cranberry lemonade, but this is our Marionberry vodka.
What
you ever wanna-
distillery makes it? Because it's the only one that makes it.
We'll put the website in the description. So look for the website down
Right.
here.
Expensive. You've never seen any item shipped with so much packing. It was entertaining just to watch her try and unwrap it.
I mean, bubble wrap galore.
Layer after layer
Yes.
after layer.
I think, well,
And shrink wrap around more bubble wrap,
Right.
around more shrink wrap. But shipping alone was more than we would normally spend on
Yes.
a bottle.
in all fairness, it would have to be really good liquor for us to spend, like,
We wouldn't
locally.
spend.
Is what I'm
Locally?
saying, right? We got this back in September.
Yeah.
So, if you can see, so since September. So, needless to say, this is
Just
not,
over half.
Yeah, this is not one of the ones that we use willy-nilly.
No. It's amazing. It's
Amazing.
just, when you add shipping to it,
Oh,
it's a
my gosh.
lot of money to spend on a flavored bottle of vodka.
All right, so we are trying the lemonade with the cranberry vodka. So notice the color change, right? Love the color. Oh, forget it. We're going to just try it because it's cranberry.
Salud.
Salud. Oh my gosh.
So different.
Very different. So cranberries are tartar.
Mm-hmm.
So there's definitely more tartness to this
Yeah, but in a good way.
in a very good way.
Oh, I think the simple syrup definitely balances it out. It's more tart than the red raspberry vodka we just tried, right?
But it does have
It's
a
cranberry.
little bit of sweetness in the back.
You keep saying it's tart. I'm like, it's not that tart, but it's cranberry. Right?
This is why our taste buds are so different.
Mine are correct. And
Yeah.
hers are way wrong.
Yeah, we had pasta primavera for lunch, and he was like, "These vegetables are fire roasted," and I was like, "Really? I don't taste any fire roasted."
It was like licking the inside of a brick oven. It was so smoky.
And I was like, "I taste it in the sauce, but I don't taste it in the vegetables." So yeah, so our palates can be a little, but we both can agree that this is
I love this.
deadly because
Yeah.
it'll sneak up on you, and it doesn't taste like alcohol.
there's alcohol in it.
Mm-mm.
But it is more tart. So I would drink it slower.
Whatever.
I just would. You
But,
get
yeah.
what I'm saying?
No, I totally understand. I think the thing for me is any type of lemonade, I just want to toss it back.
And it still
Right.
is that kind of a thing.
This would be really bad when I'm on the Cape and after Dad and I like just
Mowing
like
the
mowing
lawn
the
and-
lawn and be like, "Hey Dad, let's have a couple of lemonades there."
Fresh lemon, so key to this being levels up,
Right.
right?
Mm-hmm.
We used our press
Yep. For the lemon.
so that we're getting the oils from the peels mixed in.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I think that if you just reamed it and just got the juice, right, you almost would want a twist of lemon. But just to twist it
Yeah.
and get the oils out into your drink.
If you're a Cape Cod person, cranberry bogs are huge. Hence why I love cranberries so much.
Even if you're not.
Even
you
if
can
you're
find
not.
a cranberry vodka, this may be the perfect drink to serve at Thanksgiving. A big punch bowl of this.
Virgil would never leave the punch bowl. I don't know that Auntie would get a taste of this.
Poor Virgil.
Oh, Virgil. I think you can experiment with the different vodkas. You have the base. The base is basically it's equal parts.
It's equal parts. A flavored vodka
Simple syrup.
and fresh lemon.
Yeah, fresh squeeze. If you have the press like we have, if you don't
But
have the press, then
Just even if you're reaming it, you know,
Yeah.
with a fork.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Before you're gonna juice it, if you are, gonna use the lemon anyway, take a peeler, peel, strip off of the lemon,
Right.
then cut it, juice it, squeeze it, then twist it over your drink. People will tell you you can't tell it. You can absolutely tell the difference. Listen, we're more simple.
Yeah. Home happy hour.
Right. But the difference that makes our cocktails still worth the effort of making is that we use the fresh ingredients that will make a difference.
Right. This lemonade is one of those things you can make a picture of, a punch bowl of, whatever. It's definitely one of the things we'll be serving on the patio. This is really good.
Really good.
Comment. Let us know what you think.
Definitely. You need to try these. These are simple.
Very simple.
It's just equal parts.
These are good.
Well,
but if we weren't filming, they would already be gone and we'd be on another one. Let's be honest.
Right. We are filming and we've had two different kinds.
We did have a break in between and we did eat. Absolutely.
It's not a sipping cocktail like an old fashioned.
No, definitely not.
It's
that's why it's
gulping cocktail.
Right. So we've given you two today, right? The raspberry lemonade, the cranberry lemonade.
We showed them the Marionberry.
We showed you the Marionberry.
Without making it.
It's, again, the same thing, right? And that's very sacred to us. That's a priceless commodity. Try your favorite vodka. You may not like berries. You may like the watermelon. There's strawberry. There's
I
a
would think the
blueberry
strawberry vodka would... strawberry lemonade is just...
Oh, absolutely. Right? But
terrific.
Try whatever you want. Try it. Comment. Let us know if you try a different flavored vodka that we didn't even think about.
Let us know.
Have
if you like lemonade, you're going to like these drinks.
You're going to love them.
Whatever format you end up falling in love with. Just let us know which one you fell in love with.
Subscribe, comment, drink responsibly, follow your local laws. Enjoy, let us know, and we'll see you next time. Salud.
Salud. Yep, it's good every time.